Good afternoon, everyone. This is Reshma Gawas, studying in TYBBI. As well, all know that today have gathered over here for celebrating occupation occasion of Teachers' Day. So, taking this opportunity and would like to welcome our Honorable Chairman Shri Sachin More Sir, our Principal Dr. Sunil Karve Sir, Vice Principal Santosh Kavade Sir, and respected teachers. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Now, I would like to brief about history of our college. Adarsh Vikas Mandal was established in the year 1984 by our founder, Chairman late B.B. More Sahib Sir, and Karmavir Bhaurao Patil College was formed in 2009 to provide comprehensive education in Wagle Industrial Estate. Basically, is Wagle Estate area were popularly known as a laborer, which is implies the majority of laborer residents live in the region. B.B. More sir thought to provide education platform tonight setting up on an education institution as well all our away teachers are the backbone of our society. They strive hard to scope the student character novel to make them an ideal citizen of the nation. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September, the birthday of Indian first Vice President and second President Dr. Swapnapalli Radhakrishnan. Sir, late be not late but not late, I would like to maintain our quotes by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, in which he said the purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Elated human beings can be created by teachers. Once again, I am wishing all the teachers very happy Teachers Day. Now I request to Shivam for a beautiful video made by Vaibhav Dhomse.
I would like to present the video made by a college student, Vaibhav Domse.
Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, happy day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे हम बढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे हम, ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, जो भी चाहे वो बन जाएंगे. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's
Thank you, Vaibhav Domse, for this beautiful video. Padma Bhushan Shri Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, born in Kolhapur, was a social activist and educator in Maharashtra. A strong advocate of mass education, he founded the Rayat Education Society, Bhaurav played an important role in educating backward castes and low-income people by coining the philosophy earn and learn. He was a prominent member of Satya Shodhak Samaj, Truth Seekers Society, founded by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. The people of Maharashtra honored with the sobriquet Karmavir, meaning King of Actions, and the government of India awarded him with Padma Bhushan in 1959 in India. He is the inspiration behind the formation of our institution, and our college is named after him, Padma Bhushan Shri Karmavir Bhaurao Patil. Shri B.B. More Sahib is the founder chairman of our institute. He founded the institute in the year 1984. He was a renowned social worker and a politician in Thane. With a view to provide quality education in Wagle industrial area, he founded the institute. Wagle estate is an area of working class people who face problem to get admission for their children. So to further avoid the problem, he founded this institute. I was very happy when I came to know that I have to prepare a write-up for our beloved chairman, Sir Sachin More, sir. As Sachin Tendulkar is referred as the master blaster of our Indian cricket team, our Sachin More sir is the master blaster of our college. Always and always, our sir aims for the development of the students besides academics. One of the greatest things about our chairman, sir, is his smile. I think he believes in enjoying life and living at its fullest. Not only that, but following one's own passion and interests. He has always been planning, designing various programs, various activities for shaping the personality of students and benefiting the students. This aids the students in their future career whereby they are ready for the outer world. Despite being the chairman, Sir has always been taking regular updates for all the events and activities. Thank you so much, Chairman Sir, Sri Sachin More sir. I am glad that I got this opportunity to express gratitude to our principal sir, Dr. Karve sir. Even today, I remember the first time when I had met Principal Dr. Karve sir. It was in my first year itself when he was delivering some beautiful insights for a brainstorming session. Loved his approach towards life. He acted as a mentor and resolved our queries and guided us all. He has always been a person with an altogether different perception of for the things. The interaction with him may not be counted in quantity but in quality. The quality that we got during all those interactions is way beyond. A very calm person who explains things patiently. And of course, he has always taught us to think out of the box, go beyond our imagination. Thank you so much, sir, for such lovely and quality interactions. Dear Santosh Gavde, sir, you are the backbone of our college. Your journey from being a bright student to becoming the principal of KBP was really overwhelming. And you have carried out your professional duties very well in each and every manner. You always tried to implement various programs which will be helpful for the growth of students. Thank you so much, Gavde sir, for being such an outstanding personality of our college and giving up your best of these best services for students of our college. Happy Teachers Day to you, Santosh Gavde sir. शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पे मैं सभी पिलर्स पिलर्स ऑफ केबीपी डिग्री कॉलेज के लिए पेश करना चाहूंगा दो पंक्तियां। गौर फरमाइएगा। क्या बयां करे, क्या बयां करे कि हमने आप सबसे क्या पाया है। क्या बयां करे कि हमने आप सबसे क्या पाया है। आप सभी की तारीफ करने में आपका सिखाया हुआ अल्फाज ही काम आया है। थैंक यू एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल द ग्रेट टीचर्स प्रेजेंट हियर। Now, I would like request Mayank Sarvaiya to carry forward.
Assistant Professor Yogita Ma'am. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, but the great teacher inspires. Yogita Ma'am, you are the teacher who truly inspired us. You motivated us, appreciated, encouraged, and pushed us to our highest potentials. These words are too small to describe your contribution in our life. You are our once in a lifetime teacher. Thank you, Yogita Ma'am. Assistant Professor Jeevan Patil sir. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell when his influence stops. Jeevan sir, you taught us one of the most essential qualities of life, which is discipline. This discipline will influence us for the rest of our lives. You changed us in a better version of ourselves. We are thankful for being your students. Thank you, Jeevan Patil sir. Assistant Professor Rahul Yadav sir. Dear Rahul sir, you give students the best of knowledge you have in the particular subject you are teaching with your unique skills. You, you know how students can grasp the knowledge of the subject you are teaching. You are there to help them with any problems they face. Thank you so much Rahul sir for wonderful contribution in their growth. Happy Teachers Day to Rahul sir. Thank you Rahul sir. Assistant Professor Pooja Tiwari ma'am. Teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and important members of the society because their professional efforts affect the fate of the earth. Pooja ma'am, your efforts of teaching us in this lockdown situation have most certainly changed our fate. Your most you most certainly changed our future and made it better. Thank you for being our teacher. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Assistant Professor Moshmi Sharaf ma'am. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in pupils. Moshmi ma'am, you interactive technique of teaching activated our magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom. You made accounts a very easy and simple and enjoyable subject for us. We are grateful to be your students. Thank you, Moshmi ma'am. Now, I would like to hand over the PPT presentation to Shrutika.
Thank you, Mayank. Good afternoon to each and everyone present over here. Firstly, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Assistant Professor Gayatri Nayak ma'am. I will succeed the way I have done always. Dear Gayatri teacher, thanks for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination and instilling in me a love of learning. Happy Teachers' Day. We will always be thankful to you over all the hard work and efforts you have put in for educating us. Wishing you joy and happiness. You are an amazing teacher and you only deserve best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle to my life. I am deeply thankful that you are my teacher. The great teacher inspires. Good teaching must be slow enough so that it is not confusing and fast enough so that it is not boring. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Assistant Professor Harshita Rajpure ma'am. A good teacher is the one who can inspire hope and instill a love of learning. Dear Harshita ma'am, you cherish the feeling, the thrill of inspiration that comes from inspiring others. But whether it be writing report cards or managing the classroom, daily stresses can make it hard to keep the inspiration alive. 31 chances, 31 futures are futures. It's an almost psychotic feeling, believing that part of their lives belongs to me. Everything they become, I also become, and everything about me they help to create. You are the supreme art to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Thank you so much for everything, and happy Teachers' Day to you, ma'am. Assistant Professor Amrita Valli, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day to you, ma'am. Parents are child's first teacher who give their life lessons, and after them comes the guru or teacher who leads the child ahead in life. Dear Amrita, ma'am, if a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. You are the one light to change the world. You are the voice from which your children, as living arrows, are sent forth. Thank you so much for supporting us in each and everything. Happy Teachers' Day. Librarian Assistant Professor Nitish Sonavne sir. A good teacher makes a good pupil. The saying is relevant, and to emphasize this valuable quote, We celebrate Teachers' Day every year as a mark of respect to our guiding lights, our teachers. Dear Nitesh sir, you are the one who teach us the meaning of life. They are not limited to classrooms. In our daily life, we come across many people, and most of them teach us new lessons of life in one way or another. Teachers like you awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. I have always felt that true textbook for the pupil is his teacher. You are the most responsible and important member of society because your professional efforts affect the fate of the earth. Thank you for everything, sir. We are very blessed to have you as our guide. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to you, sir. Assistant Professor Vijaya Rani, ma'am. Dear Vijaya ma'am, you are the main pillar of IT department and examination department. We have always encouraged students to take part in various extracurricular activities with respect to your academics. You have treated every student equally and guided them in their passion to achieve their dreams. You have brought various opportunities for the students which will be helpful for them in their future endeavors. Thank you for everything you have done for students of KBP. Happy Teachers' Day to you, Vijaya ma'am. Assistant Professor Snehal Rani, ma'am. Firstly, a very happy Teachers' Day to you, ma'am. Dear Snehal, ma'am, you are the one who becomes student while teaching to students and knows how to connect with them. You gives the student the best of knowledge. You can go through your unique talent. You can through your unique talent. The students loves you because of your unique talent and praises you. Thank you so much, Snehal, ma'am, for your wonderful contribution in the growth of students. Happy Teachers' Day to you, Snehal, ma'am. Now, I will request Shivam to play the e-greeting made by Sakshi Dabri. Thank you, Shivam. Now I will request Imran to give the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Imran Sheikh, and as you all know that today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. So, dear teachers, our guiding stars, and our loving student community, budding star, wishing you all happy Teachers' Day. We feel it is our great pride and honor on this day to thank all our teachers who play a great role in what we are. And also, I thank our chairman sir and our trustees. Our first thank goes to our loving and principal sir and vice principal sir, who is the source of all inspiration and who always guides us, keeping in the future in mind and preparing us to face all challenges of life with positive way. Next, heartfelt thanks goes out to all our teachers who are second parents, who always stand by us, guide us, lead us, and motivate us. Thank you for being a role model and making us feel happy. Your presence in this function your presence in the functions and make us feel happy. Thank you, dear teachers. The essence of the fruit is always tested at the last, and we believe last will be the best. I want to thank all of you for cooperating with making a Teachers' Day a memorable for everyone. Dear friends, let us respect our teachers for their sacrifice in making a future and a personality in future. And at last but not the least, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, all the students who have taken such a lovely efforts and who had put forward this particular program for us. We really feel obliged and happy that even during this pandemic situation when we don't see each other in physical manner like we do in a college, but still you are taking efforts for creating these programs, creating greetings, videos, and this shows your love towards the college, towards the teachers, and we really really appreciate these efforts taken by you. So thank you so much for these lovely videos, greetings, which and the messages you are sending on phone, WhatsApp, whatever manner you are greeting us on Instagram. Also there is a lovely post about each and every teacher. So I would really like to thank you all who are taking these efforts and making this day memorable. Thank you so much, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, Yogita ma'am.
Thank you all students for your admiring words, and thank you all for making our Teachers Day very special. Thank you all. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir.
Uh, well, happy Teachers' Day to all of you, to all the teachers, as well as thank you so much, students. Well, I'm not going to be emotional today, as today is the day of celebration. First of all, I would like to thank all of the students and organizer for organizing such a lovely online event. I'm sure, I'm sure you all know the history of Teacher Day and why it has been celebrated on 15th September. So really thank you each and everyone, the efforts which you have put in by all the students. I am very much obliged, very much touched with your message and with your creativity. Of course, the creativity comes into the picture because it's the online medium. We cannot see you, but we can feel your emotions. So thank you everyone. Thank you Harshada ma'am for making this event such a grand success, and we are really touched and honored. Thank you.